In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in ClickUp. If you're cleaning up old environments, consolidating teams, or starting fresh, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect so you can safely remove a workspace you no longer need. Before we begin, a quick note on permissions and safety. Only workspace owners or admins can delete a workspace. Deleting a workspace is serious tasks. Docs, dashboards, automations, and settings associated with it will be removed and may not be recoverable. If you have important information inside, consider exporting or archiving what you need first, and let your team know what's happening so no one is caught off guard. Let's start inside ClickUp. First, open the workspace you want to remove. If you're in multiple workspaces, use the workspace switcher to select the exact one targeted for deletion. Double-check the workspace name and icon to make sure you're in the right place. Deleting the wrong workspace is a mistake you definitely want to avoid. Next, go to Settings. You can access this from your Workspace menu. Once you're in the Settings area, glance at the header to confirm you're editing the correct workspace. This simple verification step helps prevent accidents, especially if you manage several environments. Now, in the General section of your Workspace settings, scroll down until you find the option to delete the workspace. It's typically grouped with other critical actions, sometimes labeled as a danger zone for clarity. Click Delete Workspace. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion, often by typing the workspace name or acknowledging a warning. Carefully read what the confirmation screen says, then proceed if you're absolutely sure. If the system asks for additional confirmation, like a second click or a verification prompt, complete that as well. Once confirmed, ClickUp will begin removing the workspace and its contents. Depending on the size of your workspace, this may take a moment. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have the required role, or you may be looking at a personal space rather than the overall workspace. Check your role or contact the current owner to proceed. If you only want to stop seeing the workspace in your account, consider leaving the workspace instead of deleting it, which preserves it for others. And that's it. You've opened the correct workspace, accessed settings, and used the General section to delete the workspace safely and intentionally. Thanks for watching, and take care when performing irreversible changes.